Alam niyo guys, kasi ang edukasyon ay isang karapatan. Kaya naman nakakalungkot talagang isipin na maraming kabataan na kapuspalad ang hindi nagkakaroon ng tsansang makapag-aral. Pero meron naman tayong good news dahil meron isang international school nag-grant ng mga scholarships para sa kapuspalad ng mga bata. Ito na't panoorin ninyo.
Binisita ng isang accrediting commission for schools na Western Association of Schools and Colleges ang MIT International School noong nakaraang linggo. Isa ito sa 6 na regional accrediting association sa bansang US na may layuning suriin at obserbahan ang kurikulum ng schools.
So the purpose of this is to come to MIT International School to validate the report which is called the self-study of the school. The report tells us what is the criteria that they are using to determine that they are an excellent school.
Ang napiling paaralan ng pinakaunang international school sa Alabang. Isang uliran at mahusay na paaralan ay pinagmamalaki ang mga magagaling na guro. Layunin nitong mapalawak at mapaunlad hindi lamang ang kaalaman at kakayahan ng mga estudyante, kundi ang pakikitungo sa kapwa.
They love the children, the teachers work hard, they work well among themselves. They have a wonderful learning environment, and they're dedicated to producing the kind of child that will take care of all of us in the future.
Mint International School is a very good school, and the WASC process will help them become a great school.
The school is a fabulous school. They are working to become even better than they are right now, and I think anyone who would bring their children here are going to see benefits and improvements from years on.
They know where they're at. They know where they're going to achieve their goals here for the success of the students at MIT School. And I believe this process is helping them meet that goal.
It is important that somehow DepEd is represented, because there are some areas wherein private school needs the help, needs the support of the Department of Education. Like for instance, securing all the legal requirements such as permits, the granting of the recognition for the school, and of course partnership in terms of mutual cooperation. And right now they are seeking also our advice and support how to implement well the K-12.
Layunin ng event na mag-promote ng scholarships para sa mga estudyanteng kapuspalad na gustong mag-aral.
We have found that it is making a difference in the quality of the education for the Filipino child who comes to this school on scholarship.
Malugod namang inaanyayahan ng Presidente na si Dr. Bienvenido V. Santos ang mga nais maging scholar.
Dito po ay marami tayong tinatanggap ng estudyante, iba-ibang nationalities. Marami din po ang mga Pilipino. Nais po namin anyayahan ng mga magulang na i-consider rin po ninyo na ipasok dito yung mga anak. At kami po ay nagbibigay ng maraming scholarships o tuition discounts para sa mga Pilipinong mag-aaral. Na ang paaralan nito hindi lamang para sa may kaya, amin din po binibigyan ng pagkakataon ang mga nararapat bigyan ng tulong para makapagtamo sila ng quality international education upang ating mga kabataan ay mabigyan pa ng mas magandang kinabukasan.